We have all seen the images from the Pakistani floods.
The images of children suffering, the desperation of parents unable to help their families.
The footage of vast areas of devastation. The aftermath of the floods is still claiming lives.
But news channels and papers are moving on. They have the latest news to cover.
And I see that the misery of flood victims starts at this point.
Remember the men, the women, the children in those photos.
They need our support, they need our thoughts, and I hope you will support.
Please help the Pakistan Aid Convoy on PressTV.